Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Luis and today the video is about cable management. So I've been working from home since COVID-19 came into our lives, and for that I made this computer setup for my home working, and I don't like the cables how I have it right now. So I will be doing a cable management do-it-yourself solution, and I hope it works also for you. So I already done on my other setup, and now I will do a upgradable version in this one. So this is not my main setup, this is my work from home setup, and I already made something similar to my YouTube setup. So as you can see, all the cables showing, and it's not good. So for these we will need two boards, some metal supports, okay, really cheap, and some wood screws, more wood screws, and some shelf brackets. These ones from the Chinese store. So all the materials for this project was about 14-15 euros, okay? And what we will do is something like this, okay? So it will be placed underneath the table desk, and we will be able to manage all the cables and remove them from site, okay? So first operation, we will drill some holes on the boards. So you can measure where you want to drill the holes. I will use this metal plate. I already have some marks that I can use, and I will do a lot of holes, but you don't need to do so many, but I want to do, because we will use these holes to tie the cables. So for these now I will be using a wood drill. Okay, so if you can do this outside, it will be better. Okay, so after, we have to do the same to the other board and do some cleaning to the wood. Okay, and now I have the boards ready to start assembling the supports. I will be fixing these ones with a screw and a washer. Okay, it's done. So it will work like this. It will support the heavy cables. If you don't want to zip tie the cables, you can put directly on those metallic supports. But I think the best thing to do is to zip tie everything through the holes, and if you need to remove, just cut the plastic from the zip tie and you can remove the cables, okay? But I think this solution is really nice, okay? So let's remove the cable and continue. Now we are assembling the shelf bracket. I will be using 2 screws, but if you think it's not enough, you can drill another hole below these 2 and add an extra screw. I think 2 are enough. Okay, so now we need to do the same on the other side. And it will work something like this. Okay, so it's almost ready. Okay, so I have the two boards assembled. They are ready to go to the other setup and to be mounted. Okay, so let's do it. Don't forget, if you are enjoying the video and you think this is a good solution, to give it a thumbs up. It will really help the channel. Okay, so I already applied the two supports, and as you can see, one is in front of the other because I didn't make a good measure, and so I didn't want to cut the board, and this was the solution I made, one in front of the other in the middle, and it works really well. Okay, so it's ready to start managing the cables through the support. And so this was the setup without the support for cable management, and now the table with the support for cable management. Okay, now let's start fixing all the cables. This is the view from the front of the table, and this is the finished product. Okay, so all the cables secured with zip ties, also the power supplies, everything arranged and hidden from view. So I think the solution is really nice. Tell me what you think about it. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, consider to subscribe, and let me know what you think about this solution. Thank you very much. I catch you on a new video. Bye bye.